helped us a lot in our Sasapi campaign because you had tremendous improvements in defense and on communication. Like on anything, if you don't communicate, hindi kayo magkakaintindihan, di ba? So that was a big improvement for us, even before this game. And especially we won today, malaking tulong talaga for our confidence.
More questions?
Compared sa mga laban nyo against sa mga Manila Bay.
Medyo malayo. They're much stronger. Maybe because of the trainers that they have here. But they're stronger. But they're just playing it physical, not dirty. Yung legal banggaan lang, not dirty. So that's one of the main things that we've learned here. The players will be take their weights more seriously. Our players. Oo. So dito, traffic din. Dito,